For many artists, the concept of shading is still very new. So if you have any questions about shading, I'm going to tell you exactly how it's done, what the benefits are, and how to mix the perfect shading solution. Let's start with the basics. What is shading exactly? Shading is done using a specific shading tool to give more definition and a bolder, impactful look to an eyebrow so that it looks more natural. So how do you decide if your client needs shading? So first, you're going to look at how much existing hair that your client has on their eyebrows currently. You're going to look at how much makeup they wear, and you're also going to look at what kind of an eyebrow look that they're going for. When you choose to do just microblading alone, you're going to get a more fluffy, natural, and airy look to your client's eyebrows. If you choose to do shading, you're going to get a more bold, impactful look for your client. This photo is an example of a client who had no existing eyebrows. The photo on the left shows her brows done with only microblading, and then on the right, it shows the more defined look of adding shading. The question that many artists have been asking is, can both microblading and shading be done in one procedure? The answer is yes. Here's how Tina prepares for both microblading and shading in one session. 1. Prepare your first ink cap with the target color from the I Love Ink collection that you want for your client. 2. Prepare your second ink cup with the target color that you chose for the first one and dilute it by 80%. 3. Microblade your client's eyebrows with either the 9 Classic, 14 Curved, or U needle. Once you're finished the microblading process, you're ready to shade. 4. Take the mixture that you've made with the shading solution and take the 19 Shader manual shading tool. Shade throughout the middle of the eyebrow using a tap and flick motion. Continue to wipe the eyebrow to check your deposit and deposit until you are happy with the results. Another tip for making sure that you're hitting the sweet spot and depositing the pigment is to make sure that you stretch the skin very firmly. If you have any other questions about shading, make sure to leave them in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Moving the Needle videos. For more of a detailed look at how Tina does a blade and shade procedure from start to finish, including the consultation, prep and pre-draw, the procedure itself, and the healing for up to 40 days after, please check out our blade and shade video tutorial at tinadavies.com. It's also linked in the description box below.